Hi friends, how are you all? Fine. Okay, welcome to the second session. Last time we have completed the 4 paragraphs. The name of the chapter is Who Did Patrick's Homework? Okay, now see. And true to his word, the little elf began to do Patrick's homework, except there was one glitch. The elf did not always know what to do and he needed help. Help me, he had to say, and Patrick would have to help in whatever way. सच बोला जाए तो लिटिल एल्फ बिगेन टू पैट्स होमवर्क. द लिटिल एल्फ, हियर लिटिल एल्फ मीन्स द टाइनिएस्ट मैन was started to the Patrick's homework, except there was one glitch. See children, the meaning of the glitch is a fault in a machine that prevents it from working properly. The elf did not always know what to do and he needed help. See children, the elf did not know what to do, so always he needed a help. So he says on going, help me, and Patrick would have to help in whatever way. I do not know this word, the elf squeezed while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No, what's even better, look up the word and sound it out by each letter. The elf said, I do not know this word. The elf squeezed. Squeezed means to say something in a loud voice while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. And what's even better, look up the word and sound it out by each letter. So he said to bring a dictionary and word it out by each letter. Okay children? When it came to Max, Patrick was out of luck. What are the timetables? The elf shrieked. We elves never needed that. Now comes the turn of Master. Patrick was out of luck. It means Patrick did not know anything. What are these timetables? The elf shrieked. Shrieked means gave a short and a high-pitched cry. We elves never need that. Elf said we never need this type of timetables. Okay. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me, you simply must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history, to them is a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library and need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. The elf said, what is this addition, subtraction, division and fractions? I don't know anything about it, so come here and sit beside me. I do not know about the human history. So the little elf was already a shouter. So just got louder and said, go to the library, I need a books. So bring the books and you can help me to read them too. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was a nag. Patrick was working harder than ever, and was it a drag? He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. See, as a matter of fact, if we can say really, every day in every way, the little elf was nag. See children, nag means one who troubles something all the time by complaining or asking them to do something. So elf was here nag. Patrick was working harder than ever and was it a drag. And the Patrick was working hard on this. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary. Weary means very tired, and was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. Blurry means dull and unfocused. Till he was weary, puffed, blurry, was going to school and was going to school. Still also the Patriot was not tired. Finally, the last day of the school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no homework, so he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. See children, finally the day of the school arrived and the elf was free. Why? Because the last day of the school arrived. So the elf has no homework, so he quietly slipped out from the back door. Patrick got his A. His classmates were amazed. His teacher smiled and full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Cleaned his room, did his course, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. See, then the Patrick had got A division. His classmates were amazed, and teachers also, and parents, and they wondered what happened to Patrick. Now he was considered as a model kid because he cleaned his room and did his chores. Chores means work hard must be done every day. Often he was boring, was cheerful, never rude, and not behaving in a rudely manner, and he developed a whole new attitude. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made the teeny man to do all his homework, but I will share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made the teeny man to do all his homework. See children, Patrick thought that the teeny man had done all his homework, but I will share a secret just between you and me. It was a secret. What is it? It was not the elf who had done all the homework. It was Patrick who had done all the homework by himself. Okay children, this is about the lesson who did Patrick's homework. I think you understood it well. Okay children, read it once. Bye bye, take care, have a